Jai Srimanarayana, 39th sloka of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Kadham Nagneyam Asmabhihi Papat Asmat Nivartitum Kulakshaya Krutam Dosham Prapasyadbhihi Janardana. Om. Learn to turn away from the sins and learn to stop those who are having sinful conduct. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives a final message in Bhagavad Gita saying that, come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall learn to turn away from the sins. I shall stop those who having sinful conduct. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bali Chakravarti, along with the flow of water, he gave the charity of 3 feet of land to Sri Mahavishnu. While that water is falling, Vamana is receiving. Pavitrambaha kanasrenikim kamaladhisvarudodde. Who is that Vamana? That Vamana is Sakshat Lakshminatha. Such Lakshminatha's hand receiving the drops of the water of that charity. Khandita Divauka Swami Jinmastamun. What is that? What kind of hand that is Vamana's hand? That hand, Khandita Divauka Swami Jinmastamun, Kamala Karishana Suprasastamun, Ramakanta Kachavupastamun, Vimala Sri Kuchasata Chuchukatati Vinyastamun, Hastamun. The hand which is receiving the drops of charity water, that hand which killed so many demons, that hand which always will be receiving a great respect and great warm services of Sakshat Lakshmi Devi. Such great hand of Vamana Lakshmi Natha is in the bottom, and on the top Bali Chakravarti's hand is there. He is giving the charity of 3 feet of land. Vanajakshudukoniye Bali Vivarjita Dharan. Vamana Sri Mahavishnu, who has divine lotus-like wide eyes, is now receiving the charity from Bali Chakravarti. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasetravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 39th sloka. Kadham nagneyam asmabhihi papadasmat nivartitum kulakshaya krutam dosham prapasyadbhir janardana. Kadham nagneyam asmabhihi papadasman nivartitum kulakshaya krutam dosham prapasyadbhir janardana. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.